how to buy Jimmy John's gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Jimmy John's gift card online. So let's dive right in. First things first, you will need to go to your browser and go to jimmyjones.com and scroll down to the bottom and go to gift cards. Now, here, once you're in this page, you will need to tap on buy now. Or first, you can choose a gift card, like if you want plastic gift cards, bulk gift cards. So just tap on buy now, and then you can choose the gift card of your choice. So there are various designs that you can choose from. And then you'll need to enter your own amount or select from below. You can just tap on plus, minus to increase or decrease the amount, or you can manually type the amount as well. And then you can choose the number of gift cards, like there you need to choose maximum of you can choose maximum of 25 cards per order and the maximum of $200 per order. So if you're looking to order a bulk gift card, then you need to go to the bulk site right here, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to choose whether this gift card is a gift you're giving to someone or it's for yourself. So if it's for yourself, then you need to put in your name, the last name, your company's name. It's optional, your country, address, zip code, phone number, and your shipping options. And if it is a gift, then you need to put in the name of the person whom you're sending it to. You can put in a message from, and then where to deliver your gift card. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.